Hello and welcome to our channel.
In this video, I will teach you how to make images move on ClipChamp. So to make images move on ClipChamp, first of all, open ClipChamp on web. After opening it, import media. You have to import one picture and one background. After they are imported, place them on the timeline. Make sure that you place the image a bit higher than the background in the timeline. We cannot move it all at once. We have to do it frame by frame. It might take a while. Now expand the image. Now what you have to do is on each second split the time frame. And you have to place the image in different position in each frame. Precision is the game changer here. So be precise as much as possible. And that's it.
I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.